Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day, like you're constantly chasing deadlines, trying to squeeze in work between meetings, and still struggling to find time for, life? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to work smarter, not harder, to reclaim those lost hours and actually get ahead of the game? That's where AI comes in. Today, we're diving deep into 5 AI tools that are about to revolutionize your workflow. We're talking next-level efficiency, automation like you've never seen, and maybe even a little extra time to actually enjoy that cup of coffee. Let's jump right in. First up, we're tackling the bane of everyone's existence: writing. Whether it's emails, reports, articles, or social media posts, crafting compelling and error-free content can feel like a Herculean task. But that's where Grammarly swoops in to save the day. This isn't just your average spell checker. Grammarly catches typos and grammatical errors, refines your tone, clarifies your message, and ensures your writing is engaging and impactful. Think of it as having a virtual writing coach available 24/7. Grammarly has been constantly evolving, adding new features and integrations that make it even more powerful. They've got a plagiarism checker, a style guide, and even a tone detector. Grammarly integrates seamlessly with your browser, word processor, and phone. It takes the stress out of writing, helps you communicate more effectively, and frees you up to focus on what really matters: the content itself. Okay, let's talk about organization, or more specifically, the lack thereof. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of sticky notes, random documents scattered across our desktops, and that never-ending to-do list that seems to grow longer by the minute. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter Notion AI, the all-in-one workspace that's like having a second brain for all your ideas, projects, and random thoughts. Think of it as a digital command center where you can organize everything in one central location. Notion itself has been a productivity powerhouse for a while, but with the addition of AI, it's reached a whole new level. We're talking about AI-powered note-taking that can summarize lengthy meetings, brainstorm new ideas, and even generate first drafts of documents, all with just a few prompts. Notion AI can also help you with project management by creating to-do lists, assigning tasks, and tracking your progress. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on top of your workload, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Notion lets you customize everything to your liking, with different views, templates, and integrations that fit your workflow perfectly. So, if you're ready to ditch the chaos and embrace a more organized way of working, Notion AI is the tool for you. It's time to say goodbye to information overload, and hello to a world where everything has its place and you're always in control. Let's be honest, meetings. They can be a necessary evil, but they often end up being long, meandering, and let's face it, sometimes just plain unproductive. And who among us hasn't struggled to take notes while also trying to pay attention to the conversation? Well, say goodbye to frantic scribbling and hello to Otter.ai, your AI-powered meeting assistant that's about to change the way you collaborate. Otter is essentially a real-time transcription service that records your meetings, generates detailed notes, and even identifies different speakers. Imagine being able to fully engage in a conversation, knowing that every word is being captured accurately and efficiently. Otter's brilliance goes beyond just transcription. It uses AI to provide insights from your meetings, like key takeaways, action items, and even sentiment analysis. And if you need to catch up on a meeting you missed, no problem. Otter lets you easily search through transcripts, listen to recordings at different speeds, and even share key insights with your team. So, whether you're in back-to-back meetings all day, or just want to make sure you're getting the most out of your team discussions, Otter.ai is a game changer. Now let's talk about something fun: visuals. In a world saturated with content, having eye-catching images is more important than ever. But what if you're not a designer or don't have the budget to hire one? That's where DALL-E 2 comes in, the AI image generator that's about to unleash your inner artist. DALL-E 2 is an AI system from OpenAI that can generate realistic images and art from natural language descriptions. You literally type in what you want to see, and DALL-E 2 creates it for you. Want a picture of a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E 2 can make it happen. But it's not just about generating wacky images. DALL-E 2 can be a powerful tool for designers, marketers, content creators, or anyone who needs high-quality visuals. Need a custom illustration for your website? Want to create unique social media graphics? DALL-E 2 has got you covered. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to experiment with different prompts, styles, and concepts until you get the perfect image. So, whether you're looking to create stunning visuals for your brand or just want to have some fun experimenting with AI-generated art, DALL-E 2 is an incredible tool that's pushing the boundaries of creativity. Finally, let's talk about copywriting. Whether it's crafting compelling ad copy, writing engaging website content, or even just coming up with catchy social media captions, finding the right words can be a challenge. But fear not, word wranglers, because Jasper is here to be your AI copywriting assistant. Jasper is like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call, ready to generate high-quality copy for any purpose. Need to write a product description that converts? Want to create a Facebook ad that gets clicks? Jasper can help you craft persuasive and engaging copy that gets results. Jasper's brilliance goes beyond just generating words. It uses AI to understand your brand voice, target audience, and marketing goals, ensuring that the copy it creates is not only well-written, but also effective. And if you're worried about sounding robotic or formulaic, don't be. Jasper's AI is trained on a massive dataset of human-written copy, so it can generate text that's natural, engaging, and even humorous. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Jasper is an invaluable tool that can help you take your copywriting to the next level. So, there you have it, 5 AI tools that are already transforming the way we work and live. From writing assistants to image generators, these tools are not just about saving time, they're about unlocking new levels of creativity, efficiency, and productivity. And the best part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and powerful tools to emerge, further blurring the lines between human and machine capabilities. So, embrace the future of productivity and try out these tools for yourself. You might be surprised at what you can achieve.